What we're looking at here is a Calcutta 2 ceiling fan made by American Industries. I got this from Brian Peterson at the Fanimation group trip earlier this month. It's a very nice fan despite its rough condition. Or it's kind of rough. It's not the worst it could be, but it's definitely a little rough. But it's still nice though. And I guess this was a copy of the Casablanca Zephyr, sort of. Judging by that canopy especially. We're going to start it up on the lowest speed here, but as you can see, it does not start until right here. I'll turn it down a little bit more. I did not adjust the trim pot on this, but it obviously needs to be adjusted though. I did, however, take the motor housing apart and clean it out, just because of all the dust and dirt that has accumulated in there over the years. I really do not know what year this fan is, as there is no sticker or tag indicating the year. In fact, I believe that's the only tag up there, which is just like a safety sticker, I guess. Turn the speed up a little bit. This does use the cardboard box variable speed control. And it also uses a GE stack motor with a rubber flywheel. And the flywheel is still original on this thing. And it's holding up very well. Turn the speed up more. Runs very smooth with very minimal wobble. And it moves quite a bit of air. And also the original bearings in this fan are still quiet. And that is full power right there. This fan is super powerful. Really great air mover. And here's spin down. Kind of wish I had a spot in the house to permanently install this. Unfortunately, as of right now, I really don't have any open spots, but maybe one day in the future it will get a permanent install. We'll get one more look at the top of the motor here. And as you can see, there's no mesh screen on top either. It just has one on the bottom. I don't know if it came like that from the factory or if that was removed. Not sure. But other than that, that is all I have for the Calcutta 2 ceiling fan.